In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Pixel event tracking 5 minutes. We're going to set up your Facebook Pixel using Google Tag Manager so you can track key actions on your site reliably, all without editing your website's code directly. By the end, you'll have your Pixel code placed in a way that's easy to manage and update. Start by heading to tagmanager.google.com. If you're prompted, sign in and open the container that matches your website. Think of a container as the place where all your tracking rules live. Make sure you're in the right workspace so changes apply to the correct site. In the workspace, click Add New Tag. A tag is simply an instruction that tells Google Tag Manager what to send and when. In our case, it will send the Facebook Pixel signal to Meta whenever the tag fires. In the new tag card, click Tag Configuration. This is where you pick the type of tag you're creating. Scroll to the Custom section. Because Facebook's Pixel isn't a built-in template in this flow, Custom is the right home for it. Select Custom HTML. This option lets you paste the exact pixel snippet you received so it runs exactly as intended. Next, paste the pixel code. Use the full snippet from your Meta Events Manager, including the script tags and the FBQ initialization. If you already prepared standard or custom events, those can live in this same snippet beneath the base code. Keep the code exactly as provided to avoid syntax issues, and make sure you don't paste multiple copies of the base pixel, which can cause duplicate events. If you're migrating from code that was hard-coded on your site, confirm you're not running both at once. Consistency here ensures accurate reporting for events like page view, add to cart, or purchase. Now click Save. Before saving, give the tag a clear descriptive name so it's easy to locate later, especially if you add more event tags down the line. Saving commits the tag to your workspace and keeps your tracking organized and maintainable. That's it. You've placed your Facebook Pixel and event code through Google Tag Manager using a custom HTML tag. From here, your pixel will run according to how your workspace is configured, and any events included in your code will be sent to Meta for measurement and optimization. A quick note for best results: keep your code clean, avoid duplicates, and ensure your implementation aligns with your site's consent and privacy requirements. With this foundation in place, you're set up for dependable event tracking that supports better ad targeting, optimization, and reporting.